Schluter adapter kits offer a seamless retrofit solution by converting existing clamping ring drains to Schluter drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. We offer kits for both integrated bonding flange conversions as well as a linear drain kit. The Curdy drain adapter kits are offered in two different sizes: 5.5 inch or KDA 5 or 7.5 inch or KDA 7. The Curdy drain adapter kits include a steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain, a tube of Curdy Fix. A bonding flange designed to integrate with the adapter ring is provided as well. It's important to recognize that the adapter flanges are different from the standard Curdy drain flanges sold separately and are not interchangeable. The kit also includes a height adjustment collar for the Curdy drain grate. And finally, waterproofing accessories, including Curdy Carrick inside and outside corners and Curdy Seal PS and MV pipe and mixing valve seals. The Curdy Line A adapter kits allow for conversion to our Curdy Line linear drains. The Curdy Line A kit includes a 5.5 inch diameter steel adapter ring, which replaces the clamping ring of the installed drain, and a tube of Curdy Fix. The Schluter Curdy Shower CB compensation board can be used in conjunction with the adapter kits to raise the shower tray to the appropriate elevation in these types of installations. The Curdy Shower CB is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. With all of these components, Schluter adapter kits are the perfect solution to convert clamping ring drains to a Schluter drain when removal is not an option. Along with the Curdy Shower CB compensation board, the system can be efficiently converted to a waterproof Schluter shower system in no time.